At the archaeological site in Herculaneum near Naples, the Roman-era House of the Bicentenary has been reopened to the public after a 30-year restoration effort. The seaside town was buried under volcanic matter when Mount Vesuvius erupted in 79 AD. The three-story House of the Bicentenary was discovered in 1938, 200 years after the beginning of excavations which uncovered the ancient town. The structure soon fell into disrepair and was closed to the public until a joint project by local authorities, the Herculaneum Conservation Project, and the Getty Conservation Institute.
It's important because the house, due to structural issues and problems of lack of maintenance in the mid-20th century, has been closed to the public for nearly 30 years. But it's a jewel of the site, and the opening of it today really marks a great occasion for the whole revival of the site and for this piece of heritage which is unique in the world.
Inside the house, mosaics decorate the edge of a pool in the central area used to cool down the surroundings. Frescoes decorate the walls, and a marble table is still positioned to catch the rays of the sun. Restorers will continue to work at the site even as tourists begin visiting.
Today we're returning one of the most important houses in Herculaneum to the public, and you can see for yourselves. It's still work in progress. We wanted the visitors to come in, even when some of the final steps are still being carried out. So you'll still see some scaffolding. Over the next few months you'll still see some people working. But the important thing for us in a site which got forgotten, it got forgotten by humanity in the 1990s, the important thing for us is when places are visited, they stay in the collective memory.
Several elements of the house are especially interesting. One is a wooden grill used to mark off the family shrine, where statues honoring the owner's ancestors would have been kept. A hexagonal design marks the upper section of the gate. Another aspect which has been debated for years is the apparent cross marked into a wall, unusual in a building from that time. Archaeologists now confirm that it came from the mounting of a shelf. The House of the Bicentenary is 600 square meters in size and would have been owned by a prominent member of the community since the house faces the main street. It also contained an internal garden with the remains of ancient rose bushes. For now, archaeologists will continue to restore the structure, and they hope to learn even more from the ruins. Their main goal is to ensure that the house will remain open to visitors for years to come.